Okay, so I've got yet another Swiss Army knife for you guys. And wait, where is it? Oh, as you can see here, it says Spartan and Österreich, or Österreich. Um, so I got this one in Austria. As you can see, it's got the little bird there from the Austrian flag. And it's typical Spartan with the screwdriver, can opener, and then, or was that, one is a bottle opener, one is a can opener. And then you've got the sort of mini screwdriver up here. Here's the blade. And there's the mini blade, or the smaller blade. Corkscrew. Whatever this thing is, something have to do with wire, I think. I always forget what that thing is. Then you've got toothpick, and also tweezers. The thing about these tweezers is, like, because the metal is so malleable, it bends so much that you can't really get anything out with the tweezers. And then there's a little keychain here. So, yep, that's this knife, and I will see you next time.